Hello there, YouTube viewers. It's me, Fike2903, and today we have an unboxing. This is the Baofeng uv5r. I've actually got a few of these. I'm actually hosting a live audio stream in my police department here. I've also got another mobile over here that I use. But this one, I've already got one on the stream. It's just like this one. It's, so we're going to get in with it. I've already taken it out and put it together, tried it out. But, it works, but here's what's in the box. We got the radio itself. Earpiece, which I do not use. Got the antenna. Battery pack. The belt clip. The AC adapter for the docking station. Alright, I've got a lot of stuff on here, so now we're going to close this box up, set this out of the way. Forgive the mess on here, guys. Okay, so this is the uv5r, I believe. Blurry. There we go. It says it's 5 watts. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take out the battery. I mean, kind of. And put it in right. Let's see if I remember how to do this. There it goes. You click in. Next thing you want to do is put on the antenna. And drop your clip while you're at it. Forgive the shakiness, guys. I should turn on. Alright, so there it is. There's the radio. That's on my local police station here, so it will pick up what they say. Obviously, you can key up and talk to them. I wouldn't recommend that. Get off this channel here.
Channel mode. Frequency mode.
Got an AM/FM radio. Got a light. That's pretty much it, guys. That's the Baofeng uv5r unboxing. It wasn't much, but hey.